travel downwards to the south, and students of the Anjali Center for Performing Arts, of which I'm the director, will present to you Karagatam. There are different kinds of folk dances in Tamil Nadu, indigenous to the state. Atam means dance. Karagam is what you see the wear thing on their heads. This is very traditional in Tamil Nadu. Karagatam, Mailatam, the peacock dance, Tekpatam, dancing with drums, and Kavdesh holding these wooden things on the backs and dancing. These are all part of the Tamil tradition. And this time of the year, there's a lot of folk dancing going on. And this is one of the dances that is a celebratory dance, very apt for this occasion. And the performers in this are Shravya, Meghana, Sneha, Ragini, Nishika, Amulya, Karishma, and Hiba.